Hi, this is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts. In this video, we'll show you how to use a running stitch to attach this red and blue panel to your Claptrap plushie. You can find relevant links, including where to purchase the full pattern, in the description below. Not everyone is familiar with different sewing techniques and how to use them to attach parts to crochet plushies. A lot of Claptrap's parts are attached with running stitch, so this will help with all of those parts. First, get the piece positioned, and you want to pin it in place so it doesn't move around as you work. I use bobby pins. They work great. And you're going to want a bit of yellow exposed above and below this piece. So get it situated, squish it a little bit. This piece is raised. It adds dimension if you squish it a little bit. And now it's in place. Hopefully you left yourself a long tail, but if not, just cut a length of black and insert your yarn needle through the loop of your single crochet border, just the first one that comes up. Insert it all the way through. Then come all the way back through the next loop and back down through the yellow, out the back. This is a running stitch. It is very easy. Do this all the way around the piece. It's one of the most basic ways to attach a flat piece to a crochet plushie. And if you're using black, you can't see these stitches at all, the black on black. Pardon all of the fuzzies on my black yarn, by the way. I also hope you can see this well enough, since it is, again, black. Just work up and down through every loop in your border. Including the chains in the corners. You want to hit both of those, and you can remove your pins whenever the side is secure where you put your pins. Check your positioning as you go. Make sure everything looks even. This piece is centered on Claptrap's front, like in his belly region. And again, running stitch is just up and down through both pieces that you're attaching. When you have either a single crochet or a slip stitch border around a detail piece, running stitch is usually what I go with, especially if the two pieces are flat that you're working with. It is the easiest. I'm going to finish up this whole piece for you so you can see what it looks like when fully attached. Just the bottom edge left. And I want to make sure that little bit of yellow is exposed at the bottom and that the bottom is parallel with the edge piece of the main front panel. We are almost finished. There we go. You want to end the running stitch on the back side. You can soft sculpt and wiggle your yarn around to straighten it out. Then you just want to knot it in the back so it doesn't go anywhere. Don't worry about how messy this all looks. It's going to be inside. He's going to be stuffed. It'll be fine. And ta-da! His front panel's attached.